What's the first point to start the work? First point to start the work. From where I should start? From where you people will start your work? Date. Put today's date. 7th Jan. So I was telling you about the proper revision for Monday to Thursday. After that, on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, there is check a batch. For 4 days, we have to utilize the full time for the preparation of our CBSE exam. You will participate along with your teachers very actively. There will be tests. Suppose 2 periods are there of maths. In the second day, there will be the test of the same topic. Whatever the things are done in the class, ma'am is giving the new sums, new questions with the particular subject. Along with that, you prepare that topic in all respects for the board exam. And you see the blueprint for the same. MCQ question also and subjective question also. Okay? Suppose Monday, Tuesday. Your what is the timetable of Monday is? Physics and chemistry. Physics, chemistry, it will be done on Monday also. And in Tuesday, doubts will be taken. And some new things will be there with the teacher. He will do that. After that, for half an hour, there will be the test. You will give the test here. Then you will get the same test, maybe in between the days when you are coming, or the teacher, he or she will distribute in his own period. Okay? So the marks, that will be the proper, you can say the report that will be given to the parents also. And it will be discussed here also. So don't take these classes very lightly and must spare the time on the particular topics also. So we are, what I given in the schedule about today's period, that is analytical paragraph. Put the heading. Analytical paragraph. I may come in between to see your notebooks. Do your work very neat and clean. After doing the work, 10 to 15 minutes will be given for the exercise. Okay, and the paper that will be collected on the spot. So this is analytical paragraph. This is according to blueprint. This is our question number 9. Okay, question number 9. It is with the internal choice. Words 100 to 120. Marks 5. Written in box. Internal choice means 2 analytical paragraphs will be there and you have to do any one with the same analytical paragraph. Maybe one pie chart and graph is there, one table is there. Okay, out of 2 questions, you will do only one, and this is the word limit and these are the marks. And this is question number 9. And we know that there is a question number 9. When we start, this is a question paper. Now you are writing, but otherwise it is a question paper. When we start doing the work in our answer sheet, what we will write? Answer 9, analytical paragraph. Right? Now write the question. The following pie chart shows how internet users aged 16 plus aged 16 plus prefer to access ACCESS prefer to access the internet at home and at other places. Internet at home and at other places. Write an analytical paragraph. Write an analytical paragraph on the given data in about 100 to 120 words. First, make the pie chart. Free hand only. Don't see my circle also. It's visible at the end, or I should do here? Visible? %33% smartphone. 33% smartphone. 30% laptop. 19% tab. 14% desktop. 4% others. Other devices. Okay? 4% other devices. Pie chart is clear? This data is given. This is the question. First you do, then I'll explain. Tab 19, desktop 14, others 4. This is 16 plus 8 persons, how they are assessing internet. This is in the question, Now we are going to start, as I told you earlier. Answer number 9, we will make the box. Okay? After that, you make the horizontal line. Should I rub this? Pie chart. All have drawn this? Make the horizontal line. Because there is no need to write the question on the answer sheet, because we are having our question paper. So this answer, that should be of one full page, one full sheet. So we will make the box of the full sheet. Okay. Then in the center, we will write the heading of the analytical paragraph. Center में आप उसमें लगाओ. Now you see this question. What can be the heading? It should be very catchy. It may carry 1 mark. Read the question once again. That is internet users. Internet users, we can say that some people, they are using internet, this percent. It is focused on which? Devices. Okay? It is focused on, the question is focused on the devices. So we will make the heading related with the devices. Any one heading? Think about the devices. Electronical devices, if we are writing, then the TV will also come. We have to, the examiner, he may think that you are telling about the TV also, but there is not any description in the pie chart about the TV. Internet devices. We can write internet devices. We can write devices for accessing internet. Write down the heading. Devices for accessing internet. New students, raise the hand, those who belong to Gurukul or outside. Just now. नहीं, those who are coming from the starting, वो नहीं. Genesis 10th को छोड़ के. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And when you will do the signature, you must mention, okay, about your previous school and the institution from where you have come. You must mention that. Yesterday, you people were sitting in 10th B? All? Okay. It's clear? Now see your. First, the heading is there. We have done. We understood the question. We have made the horizontal line. Box is there. We have written the heading. What is the next step now? Next step is we have to tell to the examiner on which topic I am going to analyze. That is about the devices, about the internet uses. Okay, so we can write 1 or 2, that is the introductory lines. Whatever the topic is there, we have to write 1 or 2 lines on the introductory lines. On which we will write now? Present age is the age of technology. Okay, and we are using internet for online study, online shopping, online business. So many things are there. We are using the internet. First, we have told about the use of internet, the present age. Then we will analyze the interpretation. We will do the interpretation of the pie chart. Write down. The present age is the present age is the age of technology. The present age is the age of technology. Underline technology. It is the, write in between like this to make your writing very impressive. It is the computer age. Likewise, it is the computer age. And the same copy, give it to me also of yesterday. Achha? Write down. It is the computer age. We do online study. We do online study. Online business. Put comma in between. Online business. Online shopping. And online work from home and online work from home. Full stop. So we use different devices. So we use different devices for accessing the internet. Different devices for accessing the internet. Now we are telling to the examiner about this graph. Continue the paragraph, don't start. This graph or this pie chart, suppose it is here after full stop. This graph, wherever it is, but you highlight T. This graph shows the results of a, this graph shows the results of a survey, the results of a survey in which people aged 16. This graph shows the results of a survey in which people aged 16 and over were asked about 16 and over were asked about their preferred devices, their THEIR, their preferred devices for accessing the internet. Devices for accessing the internet. Four main devices are, underline four main devices, underline it. Four main devices are mentioned. Four main devices are mentioned. Put hyphen, write down. Which are? You see your pie chart, write down. Smartphone, laptop, tablets, डेस्कटॉप एंड अदर्स. मेन है तो बस डेस्कटॉप तक. एंड अ डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर. स्मार्टफोन, अ लैपटॉप, अ टैबलेट एंड अ डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर. From the pie chart, it is clear that what we come to know from the pie chart? Anybody? See, if we are telling about the majority, which one? Smartphone. That the majority of, underline majority, the majority of participants prefer to use smartphones and laptops. Smartphones and laptops. Underline smartphones and laptops. With just, don't put full stop, laptops with just 3% difference, with just 3% difference between the two. 3% difference between the two. Nearly a third of participants prefer to go online with a smartphone. Prefer to go online with a smartphone. 30%, underline 30, or after full stop we can highlight TH. 30% like to use a laptop. Anybody can tell about the desktop computer? Any one sentence? Keep sitting, don't stand. Any one sentence, continue your paragraph with the desktop computer. 14% users prefer on desktop computers. With the simplest, if the topic is very much clear, no doubt we prefer the language also, the sentence formation also. But at the starting for our practice, the more and more you people will write, you will automatically. Now see, we have taken just how many lines we have written. Only 2 points we have taken. Which one? That is the smartphone and the laptop. Okay. But how many lines we have written? We haven't written on one sentence only. There are 33% people, they are using this, and 30% they are using this, like this, and there is a, that means more and more people, they are using these two devices. So that is right. If you are writing likewise, continue. A desktop computer accounts for 14% of, you will get the PDF of the same. This much I am telling you to write so that we should understand what we are writing. Okay? We are not only listening to the teacher. That's why I am dictating you. When you are writing with your own hand, it will be more clear. Otherwise, the same assignment that will be in your hand very shortly. But इसका ये भी मतलब नहीं कि ऐसे बैठ जाना है. No, don't sit likewise. We must write. If one or two words you are lagging behind, don't worry about that. But you should listen. Which point is going on? You start with the same. पीछे नहीं रहना है, ना ही किसी की नोटबुक लेनी है, ना देखना है. Don't divert your attention. Very much attentive in the class. Clear? Don't bother if one or two words they are missing. Where I was? Preferred devices. 14% of users prefer devices. Only a small minority, which one that? 4% wala. Small minority prefer a device other than these main four. A device other than these main four. Yes. We are not including. I am not announced, now it is over. The desktop computer is the least popular of the four main devices. The desktop computer is the least popular of the four main devices. What we can write about the tablet? Now, when we are writing about 14%, okay, about the desktop computer, it is compared with the tablet. Moreover, we can use the word moreover. Moreover, however, we can use these words. The 19% people, they are using the tablets. Okay, write down. However, moreover, 19% people of this age group, they use tablets also. As at the starting, we have given the introductory lines. In the same manner, how we should tell to the examiner that now my answer that is going to be ended in long questions. What we were doing? To sum up, to conclude. In the same manner, we are ending this also. Okay. So continue the paragraph. Don't start the new line. To conclude, we can say that. In future, we can probably expect to see more and more people accessing the internet, with smartphones as their preferred choice. Close the box. You can underline, highlight few points. That is the last step. So it is of 5 marks. If we write likewise, we highlight or underline each and every data which is given in the pie chart. Very good heading is there. It is written in the box. Naturally, it is of 5 marks and we will get 5 out of 5. Don't lose even half mark in this question. This is must. Question number 9 is there. Okay, and 2 questions are there. We have to write the analytical paragraph. First of all, how we are interpreting, how we are analyzing, that is another thing. One thing is how my paragraph is showing. Our way of writing, way of doing this question. If it is good, very catchy, very attractive, no any error is there, no cutting is there, no fluid used, and moreover you have highlighted the points, naturally you will get full marks. So make it a habit, do it the practice of this question again and again. Format, it will be given to you. Now one question I am going to give you. Okay, what another topic I given to you in the poem? Animals. We will do afterwards. First write one question for practice. The table illustrates the proportion of monthly household income. The proportion of monthly household income. Monthly household income. 5 European countries. 5 European countries spend on food. And drink, food and drink, housing, clothing, and entertainment. Housing, clothing, and entertainment. Using the given data, write an analytical paragraph. Using the given data, write an analytical paragraph in 100 to 120 words. In 100 to 120 words. Make the table. First write country, food and drink, housing, clothing. Last one is, आवाज नहीं आई, enter, entertainment. First one is France, 25%, 31, 7, 13. In this way, you will write about the different countries. Germany. Second point, Germany. 22, 33, 15, 19. 15, 19. Third point, UK. 27, 37, 11, 11. We are not writing. You have written 27, 37, 11, 11. That's why I asked you. कोई बात नहीं. Turkey. 36. Turkey 36, 20, 12, 10. 36, 20, 12, 10. Last one, Turkey 36, 20, 12, 10. Spain 31, 18, 8, 15. 31, 18, 8, 15. इसके नीचे लिख लो. Answer sheet will be collected on Monday. I'll come in class to collect the answer sheet. इसके नीचे आप ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिए, नोट कर लीजिए. You are having 2 or 3 days. Answer sheet will be collected on Monday. Now come to the poetry. Poem Animals. Who is the poet? What? Whitman. Okay. The title is Animals. What this poem is about? Domestic wild animals or something else? It is about domestic animals, wild animals or something else. What is the theme? About the tokens of love, sympathy, concern, okay, innocency, self-contentment, self-satisfaction on the part of the animals. What is there in this? The poet, what's there in his mind? He wants to turn him towards animals. He wants to leave the company of human beings. Why? Because he is not happy with the changing attitude of human beings. All those virtues, tokens. Tokens mean symbols or virtues. All those tokens which were there in animals, in human beings, now they are in animals. Anyone? The man, he was having the same virtues and the qualities. That is why the poet was very much happy with the company of the human being. But now he prefers to leave them. He prefers to live with the animals. Which are those things which the human being they have lacked? Greed or selfishness, right? Hatred, ego, okay? And greed is there because of these things. And the animals on the other side, what the poet he says, they are very innocent. There one word is there in the chapter, that is whine. What is whine? WHINE. Complain. They are not complaining. If the animals, they are sitting in the sun for whole of the day, they don't complain to the master. Okay? If they are not taking anything for the whole day, no water, no food, they don't complain. But this thing is very much in human beings. मेरे को ये नहीं किया, मेरे को वो नहीं किया, उसको ये दे दिया, इसलिए तो मैं ऐसे हो गया, मेरे को ऐसे नहीं किया. Always we people complain about that thing. That is fine. One more word is there. Placid. Calm. Placid, calm is there. So because of these things, the things which are in the animals, they are calm, self-satisfied, they don't complain. That is why the poet, he prefers to live with the animals and he wants to turn towards them. He wants to leave the company of human beings. Should I give you very small exercise to do? You must write your name on it, okay? And do of your own. I'll check you people. No whispering at all. Start your work. You can read the poem, page number 3. All of you first read page number 3. 2-3 minutes are given to you. Read page number 3. Olive, very nice, good. Read page number 3. Take 2-3 minutes. After reading page number 3, start doing page number 4. Thank you. You tell the question number. Question 4, part C.
What is the meaning of sermonizing?
Sermonizing, sermon क्या होता है? Just to उपदेश and the something that which is advice, kind of that thing is there, which are spoken to convince other during the conversation. Sermonizing. Okay, sermons वैसे होते हैं उपदेश, which are given by the preachers. So these are sermonizing, that in the conversation we give such type of the any type of during the conversation when we give some advising or some such type of the words or the phrases to others, sermonizing. समझाने में, इसमें यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? समझाने में. Humans are always sermonizing themselves. Done? Should we start? This row from last, question number 1. Now you read the question, then correct answer. Right. Second one, Tushar.
Which quality of the animal attract the poet? Self-contained and calmness. Both aid.
Which answer will come?
D, both
D answer. Right. D answer. Next one. No need to stand. Only speak out. Purpose of the lines. Lines, the opening lines of the poem. First paragraph. If you have the book, I told you yesterday also. See those lines. What is the purpose of those lines? Right. B answer. To compare humans and animals. Good. Next one. Why does the poet feel sick? Which one? Humans are always dissatisfied. Okay. Humans are always criticizing others. इससे को लगा कोई बात नहीं. D point will be there. All of the above. Good. Next one. Complain. Next, mania of. Mania, what is mania? Madness. Mania of owning things. हाँ जी, आर्यन. Which answer? Which one? B point. A madness of living in luxury. C point. Never ending desire. Okay, that mania is there. Never ending. C point. Next one. Which one? Which question? Acha, name the poetic device. Name the poetic device used in the line, they do not make me sick. Lived thousands of years ago. Okay. मैंने देखो याद हो अगर जब लेक्चर दिया था आपको. With the successive lines, when the words they are repeating at the starting, successive lines at the starting, words are repeated. Anaphora. Not. ठीक है, not आ रहा है ना? Alliteration, no doubt it is alliteration also. ठीक है, alliteration होता है, but the main thing इसमें क्या दिखाया हुआ है? When the successive lines are there, आप चाहते ये भी मैंने आपको बोला, whatever the poetic device you are writing, you must mention. You mention point one alliteration. You tell how it is alliteration. Anaphora as not करके जो दो words हैं आपकी poetry के, they are repeated at the successive. They are the repeat successive lines. We will do. Time is not there. We will do the poetic devices one day. All the poetic devices. Okay, then you compare. Right? Anaphora, poetic device, or simile. Whatever the poetic devices are there, one such like the page will be given to you. Then you just ask to me and clear the doubts regarding all the poetic devices. We will do. Next, trace whose turn is there? Right, placid. Next one. Whose turn?
The word turn in the first line implies none of the these.
The word turn in first line implies why? New directions in life. B answer. New directions in life. He has realized something. He turned towards the goodness. Okay? He has just forgot. He kept away the badness and turned towards the goodness for what? For the sake of a good life, better life. That is he got the direction. New beginnings in the life. Okay, if we are telling about the ambiguous होते हैं, ये दोनों ही ठीक है. न्यू बिगिनिंग ऑफ लाइफ. अब इसमें एग्जामिनर आप मुझे कैसे करोगे सिर्फ टिक मार्क करके? न्यू बिगिनिंग मीन यू कैन चेंज योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, मेरे यार दोस्त ऐसे हैं तो कोई बात नहीं, चलने देता हूँ, रहता हूँ इनके साथ, मैं अपनी नई लाइफ शुरू करता हूँ. न्यू डायरेक्शन व्हेन यू हैव रियलाइज्ड and now you are going towards the animals. You changed your direction of life and now you are ready to take the company of the animals. When two answers they are equally right, okay, then we prefer which one is good. Which one is good? Where we get the new direction of the life. दोनों में आता है, फिर डायरेक्शन वाला आपका परफेक्ट आंसर है.